Hello guys, for today's video I'll teach you how to withdraw on TikTok Shop. First, open your TikTok app. Go to your TikTok Shop, click Enter. Then click Commission. Click Withdraw. Make sure you have filled up the correct information on your bank account. Every time you withdraw here, there is a transaction fee of 3 pesos. Then click Continue to withdraw. You can wait 1 to 3 days to process your request. You can check your withdrawal to your bank. If you don't have bank account, you can create using this Gsave. You can open here BPI Bank. If it's not received, you really have to wait. You can follow me on my TikTok shop and check my items here.